Let's do it. We read the question first to understand it, given the geometric series. So without, you don't need to check if the ratio is constant because they already tell you that it's a geometric series. Do not check, it's given. If they said given the series, then you'd have to check. It's given already that the ratio is constant. First question 2.11, is this a convergent geometric series? Justify your answer with necessary calculations. Okay, the condition for convergence is minus 1 less than r as less than 1. That is, if your ratio falls within this range, then you know that the series is indeed convergent. Let us go. Let's find r. For this specific example, r is equal to t2 over t1. If you like, you could say t3 over t2. Whichever one floats your boat is still the same. My t2 is 1 over 15, over t1 is 1 over 5. Another way you could have written this, you could have said, after doing this, you could have said 1 over 15 divided by 1 over 5. Still fine, okay? So I'm going to calculate it because I didn't. It gives me an answer of 1 over 3, all right? So now 1 over 3, you can change it to a decimal because sometimes you may not like see it at first glance if it's like it's a number between there. So you must press this button. Let me show you this button. How to change this 1 over 3? You press this button, SD. It will give you 0.3333 recurring. Okay, so 0.33 is a number that lies between minus 1 and 1. So then you're going to say, therefore, the series is convergent or converges because R lies or rather falls within minus 1 like this. However, this doesn't matter, even if you use broken English, as long as the message is put across, because we're doing maths, not English, not language. So yeah, that is your answer there. We're good now. We move 2.1.2. If your R, sorry, just to go back quickly, if your R wasn't within this domain, you're gonna say no. The series is not convergent because R falls outside the domain. That's it, or outside the range, or doesn't fall within that restriction. However you want to put it. The next question says calculate the sum to infinity of the series. You guys, I gave you a chance. I gave you like 2 minutes to memorize the sum to infinity formula, which goes S infinity. Let's write it next to it. S infinity is equal to A over 1 minus R. Your A is the first term, that is 1 over 5. That's how you write in your calculator, 1 minus. Your constant ratio is 1 over 3. Now you can't say 0.3 because if you say 0.3, what about all of the other 3's? You're losing values. Your calculation is going to be wrong. So here you're forced to write 1 over 3, unlike 1 over 2 written as 0.5. This one recurs, so you can't write it as a decimal. So even if you do it to 4 decimal place, do not test God. You must put that 1 over 3 because the answer to which this series gets to is a specific value. So do not fiddle with that. Ne? So what I got was 0.2 over, I'm just calculating. Just a second. I got an answer of 3 over 10. As a decimal, it is 0.3. Did we all get that answer? Thumbs up or say something.